Welcome back, bridge friends. If you've watched our last video, Jack denies 10 implies, you've already seen how this key defensive signal helps partners communicate during play. This isn't just theory, it's practical defense that helps you and your partner communicate under pressure. To help you absorb and retain what you've learned, you can use this video to review the concept, with 6 carefully chosen questions that reinforce the logic, application, and nuances of Jack denies 10 implies. There's no pressure, pause whenever you need to think, rewind if you want to reconsider, and use the answers section to check your understanding. Think of this as your personal bridge study session. Let's start. Quiz 1. According to the Jack denies 10 implies convention, what information does leading a Jack convey to your partner? Quiz 2. A defender is leading from a K-J-10-5 holding. Using the Jack denies 10 implies convention, which card should they lead? Quiz 3. When a defender leads the 10, what are the 2 possible interpretations of their honor holding in that suit? Quiz 4. What is the primary strategic advantage of using the Jack denies 10 implies convention? Quiz 5. A defender leads the Jack of Hearts in a no-trump contract. According to the convention, which card is the partner now certain the leader does not hold? Quiz 6. The video transcript emphasizes that this convention is particularly critical in which type of bridge contract? Alright. Let's go through the answers one by one. Even if you missed one, the explanation will help you nail it next time. How did you do? Let me know in the comments, tell me your score out of 6. If you missed a question, rewatch our original video, link in description, and come back to retake the quiz. Don't forget to like if you learned something, subscribe for more bridge quizzes and lessons, and hit the bell so you never miss a defense tip.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.